Hello and welcome to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Today we have got a great news for US visa applicants in India. That is, starting January 1, 2025, the US Embassy is introducing a new rule that allows you to reschedule your non-immigrant visa appointment once for free. So this is a huge change that is aimed at reducing long wait times and making the process even more efficient. In their official statement, the embassy emphasized their focus on fairness, saying the change is designed to ensure that everyone has a fair shot at securing an appointment while also cutting down on delays. And with this new policy, you will have more flexibility to adjust your appointment if something unexpected comes up without worrying about paying extra fees. So why this change? The embassy wants to address the current backlogs in visa processing by minimizing wasted slots caused by no-shows. Allowing free rescheduling means better management of appointment availability, which could lead to shorter wait times for everyone. So this update builds on other efforts by the US Embassy, like expanding staffing and introducing interview waivers for certain applicants. So together, these changes are making the visa process smoother for Indian applicants. So what do you think about this new rule? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Immigration and Jobs Talk Show, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.